What's up, guys? It's your boy Lincoln, and today he's going to be doing a vlog on how he believes he figured out how Nerf guns work.
Yeah. So basically, there's probably a big, there's like a big spring, like right here, and I think this is a Nerf blaster. Like this is where it shoots the Nerf thing. So yeah, this is what launches the spring backwards. So when you pull the thing backwards, it brings the spring backwards. See, so the spring is like probably right here. And then when you hit this, it releases the spring, hits the gun shooter place, and then the bullets just fly right out.
Oh my goodness. I think you're right. I think you're really smart.
Well, it probably has to be because, but this one, I think it's different because, this one and this one, do you see how, they're different?
Yeah.
Because this one has a loader right there. This one has a loader on the bottom. So, I think right here on this one is the spring, this is the launcher. And then basically this pulls the spring backwards. And then so the spring is probably like halfway there. So it's probably like halfway there. I don't know if, is that a blur, I think?
What, baby?
I think it's out of focus.
No, you're good.
Yeah.
You look beautiful.
Yes. Yeah.
Sorry, I got you flustered.
I'm done. I am done.
What do you think we should do a vlog about tomorrow? Should we do a vlog at the barbershop getting your hair done?
Yeah, Mom. No one's gonna give views. No one's gonna give views of people just watching a haircut.
We're not gonna get views of watching a haircut. So how do you think we should get views tomorrow? It's gonna be nice out, and you're getting a new soccer goal. We could do a soccer one.
Oh yeah, we could play against soccer people.
Yeah.
Wait.
What?
We could actually invite my favorite soccer player to the house.
Who's your favorite soccer player?
I don't know any soccer players.
We'll have to do some research.
Yep.
Okay. Sounds
Wait,
good.
so we could actually invite a soccer player to our house?
Maybe. Maybe I know some soccer players.
I don't. But you do?
They do.
You do?
Yeah.
You do?
Their names are Mommy, Daddy, Uncle Sky, Uncle Bry. We were all soccer players for the same school as you. What do you think about that?
You're probably the baddest soccer player.
I was decent. I was a way better volleyball player.
These things are hard to load.
Maybe I'll teach you how to play volleyball this summer. All right, say goodnight.
No.
Say like and subscribe.
Oh, yeah, and I forgot. Like and subscribe, turn on notifications, hit the bell, and end the video. Peace!